Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT. In last previous sessions of fashion design theory subject, code is 20FT13T, we have discussed history of fashion. Continue with the same time. Post-independent Indian costumes. Indian fashion has evolved to leave a distinctive mark on the world of fashion throughout the world. Even the traditional clothes like sari, ghagra choli, or dhoti still remain popular in the modern fashion scene also. Indian fashion is most famous for its intricate embroidery designs on the dresses, saris, skirts, shirts, or shorts that have also incorporated in Western style fashion. Ritu Kumar, an popular Indian designer and textile print expert, revived hand block printing in Bengal, where she used the Zardosi embroidery used in the Mughal era on the royal costumes on her garments. This revived the embroidery art that has now become the trademark in Indian fashion, especially in the designs of wedding gowns. This paved way to NGO's upcoming help revive with tie and dye, weaving, embroidery, and printing techniques that have been long forgotten. Bollywood fashion. In the 1960s, Bollywood became the trendsetter in fashion till today date. Later in 50s, Western culture was incorporated in Indian cinema that has displayed through the change of clothes worn by actor or actresses. Indian fashion designers are now come up with clothes that have a modern, chic and stylish look. With the liberalization of Indian economy, the Indian fashion industry has experienced tremendous growth both in the domestic market and international market. Indian designers are now sought after in Western countries than before. Just see the picture of different Bollywood stars with different cultural and ethnic costumes. Salwar kameez, sari, Mughal costume, a Gujarati costume, traditional costume, Western costume, and Rajasthani costume. The sari is most loved and well-known Indian design. It is a simple, elegant and can be worn by old and young women alike. A sari can be worn to different occasions from weddings, casual, formal or traditional ceremonies. Sari is a common costume in India which can be worn any time, but the pattern differs according to the occasion how we wear. And even draping style of the sari differs from region to region. The kurti can be worn as a dress and accessorized with jewelries, belt and flat shoes. If you are going for a formal look, or pair it with lehenga to give it a stylish look, sophisticated edge. There are different dresses with a modern design, art, style, carrot that you can check out. Lehenga is the beautiful skirt that is embroidered, printed, and beaded to give richness. Whenever you wear it, when paired with choli, it gives very nice and elegant outfit. The sherwani jacket is embellished and embroidered to give you that authentic Indian look with a western touch. This is a favorite jacket which loved by men. Palazzo pants are traditional Indian pants that have a flared bottom. Fashion designers have come up with different designs that give it a sophisticated look. Indian fashion remains a force to reckon on within the fashion industry around the world. With rich history and culture, Indian designs have stood the test of time and have evolved to take the fashion world by storm. Thanks to its unique patterns and high quality materials. Even as the world changes and westernization spreads, the sari, kurti, lehenga, and many other traditional Indian designs are still relevant with being same things. Now see the Bollywood fashion over here, again with different images, gharara, and the women's wearing Indo-Western costumes, both men and women, and they are combined with Indian and Western authenticity. Next is charka, a fashion revolution which has been taken place during the period of Mahatma Gandhi ji. The revolution created by Mahatma Gandhi ji was the charka. Charka is not only historical but also a major landmark in changing the scene of fashion in India. Khadi, which became a symbol of patriotism during the Swadeshi movement to drive away all foreign material used in India for clothing, is today a proud symbol of Indian textile as khadi. Our Indians' rich heritage as khadi. It is used in many forms like khadi saris, suits, kurta, pajama, and many more. The earthy feel of fabric woven on a spinning charka in rural areas of the country is a source of employment for many and is being continually used in ethnic Indian fashion. One more main point, that is our Indian national flag is also woven by khadi, charka method. Thank you so much.